Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we're taking a look at a Class C toy hauler motorhome. This is the 2022 Outlaw Model 29J. So to begin, the Outlaw is a traditional Class C motorhome, but it's a combo toy hauler, and that's what makes it special. You have your bunk over the cab, E450 chassis, anything and everything that you would want in a traditional Class C. Frameless windows, power awning, LED lights, TV on the outside, all very nice. What makes this unit special is back here. You actually have a garage in the rear, and even cooler, the ramp door doubles to be a patio. Very, very nice feature. The ramp door goes up, and when it is a patio, you even have an awning so you can sit out here, look at the lake and everything. Very, very nice feature. Also, it's good because you can bring your toys with you, i.e. being a toy hauler. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside also has a very unique sleeping living area. 2 sofas, no dinette. I love that. So many times manufacturers don't always give you a sofa and a dinette, always. I like the double sofas, and it does come with little tables if you do want to set it up as a table. Bunk over the cab, regular cockpit area. Right over here is your refrigerator. You have a TV right here with a little kitchen. And over here, you're gonna get a little bathroom. Now, you might be wondering, you're like, why would somebody want a little kitchen and a little bathroom? And the reason why is to get this area here. This is an awesome garage, best in the Class C industry. This holds 1,000 pounds of cargo carrying capacity. And you know what this is? This is a bed that drops down. This is where you sleep. You have a TV right there, another air conditioner right there, and these tie downs are a place for you to tie down your toys when you are in transit. And then again, you do have this back patio here that makes a ramp door. It's super nice, and I love this motorhome. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little 2-minute tour of the Thor Outlaw 29J. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, perfect. Click the link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.